Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new type of video for you today. It's not a planning video, it's actually a doodle video. So I'm just going to take you along while I set up my meal planner on my new Chalkola chalkboard. I got this from Amazon. You can pick it up from Amazon. They have all the pens, they have the chalkboard. The chalkboard already comes with one pen. So if you're happy with just the white, then it comes with the pen already. So you don't have to purchase everything else. But honestly, the pens are a great selection. They come with like chalk pens and also metallic versions. If you use Chalkola 10, you can actually get 10% off. So you can find the link down below in case you wanted to check this out, but I wanted to show you how I was using it. I've decided that meal planning is getting a little hard now that I've moved out of my mom's house, and I basically wanted to set up a meal planner that me and my husband can use to keep track of like what things to buy for grocery. So I'm just gonna start with, I want it to look like a menu version. So I'm gonna start with the title, and I'm basically gonna put down today's meal. I'm gonna put a little like soup doodle on the left of it, and then I wanted to do like a scallop border so that it looks more like a, I don't know, like a restaurant store. And then down below I just have a few other doodles. I wanted to do a hamburger. I had a pizza. I'm just trying out some different colors so that you can see what they look like. But as you can see, the colors are all super vibrant. They show up really well. And basically, in order to get the colors out, you just have to press the tip of the pen a few times on a hard surface, and that will get the ink flowing. So I haven't had any issues with any of these pens. All the inks were flowing properly after maybe like 8 to 10 presses. So I'm really happy with that. So I just did a few more doodles. There's some pasta, a salad, and a fish. And then next I'm going to set up the days of the week on the left side. So I just have Monday, Tuesday. I think I'm going to do them in a basic block lettering, and I basically put some dots on the left side so that I have kind of like a guideline to go with, so I know where to write my dates. And then once I'm done writing the dates, then I can erase those dots that I've been using as a guideline. And if you prefer to use like a ruler, you can definitely use a ruler on this chalkboard, but I'm pretty comfortable with like drawing lines freehand, so I'm just gonna add in the lines for the chart by myself. Okay, so now that is all done, you can fill in the days of the week. So I'm just doing dinners because I find that to take the most time to prepare. So I have a list of things that I have in mind for the upcoming week already. And basically I have chicken noodle soup, stir-fry noodles, baked salmon, lasagna. I don't eat beef anymore, so I am putting in a vegetarian lasagna, tuna on rice, udon soup, and sticky rice with sausage. And I've noticed that if there's something that I'm missing from the house, or like I really need to go pick up from the grocery store, then I can use one of the markers to put a star and just to like mark it down. So it kind of gives me a reminder that that's something I have to pick up from the grocery store. So that is pretty much it for my meal planner. I hope you really enjoyed that. It is super simple setting it up. You can use this as a meal planner. You can use this to write down chores for your family. You can use the board to just basically enjoy doodling by yourself, or if you have kids, that's a really great way to have a reusable surface. Another thing is I've done a few other doodles, so you'll be able to see that later in this video. I'm also planning on using the board as kind of like a welcome sign for my friend's wedding, because this is the perfect size. It's like nice enough to put on a tabletop, and I can just do something like, oh, welcome to this person's wedding, like please have a seat or something like that. So super easy to use, lots of ways to use it. It's basically a blank slate for you. And just make sure that if you are picking this up from Amazon, to use the code Chalkola10 for 10% off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching.